I need to sneeze. Okay, what's going on, everyone? It's your girl Sky, and welcome to Wine Wednesday. It's kind of a tradition, but if you're new to the family, you are welcome. You are very welcome. Y'all, I have some tea to tell you. Not this Wednesday, today is Wednesday. This past weekend, I had the best time. I'm not gonna say of my life because then I'm dragging it and y'all know I'm being extra, but I had an amazing time. I went to a cabin and I didn't know anybody but one girl. So it was a bunch of strangers in the middle of Virginia, in the middle of the woods, and we went to, oh my gosh, how could I paint every nail except for my thumb? That's terrible. Hold on. So yeah, as I paint this thumb, we went snowboarding, and I'm so happy that I went. Like, I can't snowboard to save my life, but it was worth a shot. It was worth the money, and if I showed you these bruises, you would think I got beat up, for real. And then on top of the fact that it was strangers, all the guys were Kappas, and oh my gosh, like, I'm so happy my friend didn't tell me that it was gonna be Kappas, because I probably would have been nervous. I probably would have overpacked, you know, thought about my clothes too much, thought about my makeup too much. I didn't know until I got there, and I was like, oh my gosh. And it was Founders Day, so everyone had on their Noop stuff, and I was just like, Jesus, you love me? You know, I first fell in love with Kappas. When was it? My best friend and I, we went to Miami for spring break, and I think that was my first time seeing them do their, I don't know what's the right terminology because I didn't go to that kind of school, but I think it's called like a line dance. It was my first time seeing them do their shimmy. Well, you're not supposed to do it, but you know, the shimmy thing that they do. Oh, I saw it in Miami and I just fell in love. But you know, they always say you can't take Kappa seriously, so there goes that idea. But anyways, let me get into the wine for today. Today we're drinking Chateau Smith, and it's actually by the brand Charles Smith. And this particular wine is special to me because the brand was recommended by a partner from my company. The whole Charles Smith vineyard is in Washington State, and this one has 14.5% alcohol. So I'm pretty much expecting, oh, I already poured myself a glass, but I'm pretty much expecting that one glass is gonna do the trick. But yeah, that's enough of all that drama. Let me show you guys what I got for Christmas. This was one of my Christmas gifts from my mom. I actually got a lot of good gifts this year. I think my family knows that I've been going through some stuff. But anyways, I got a suitcase, the carry-on size, for work. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to use it. But yeah, this one I really wanted to show you guys. I did ask for this gift. There's nothing in the bag. It's empty. No paper. She told me she actually got it from Macy's. And this is the box. This is the Coco Mademoiselle perfume. Well, this one is actually, is it a parfum? It doesn't even say on the bottle if it's a parfum or not. Oh yes, it does. Eau de parfum. It also comes with the moisturizing body lotion, which I haven't tried yet, but I have sprayed this. Let me explain. Let me see if I could explain to you what it smells like. Oh my gosh. It's so good. It smells like, oh god, the wine. Alright. It's sweet. Oh, it smells so good, but I can't explain it. Maybe floral. It's definitely a floral sweet scent. I want to say a hint of grapefruit, but I hate grapefruit, so it's not like grapefruit in a bad way. It's just, I can't explain it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. But yeah, I'm not one to really collect a bunch of perfumes. I really believe that you should have a signature, and you should only wear that perfume every day, so that like when you walk into a room, people already know like Sky is here, especially at work. I don't know. Okay, you ever had like a significant other wear one particular cologne or perfume, and then you're out like in an Uber, in a supermarket or whatever, and you're like, oh my gosh, that person is here. You see, that's why I stick to one perfume. So this, thank you to Afi, because I stole the scent from her. But not this. I bought, well, I didn't buy this one. This one was a gift. But yeah, I'm having a great hair day too. Wow. Jesus loves me. This I know. For the Bible tells me so. Yes, it does. Okay, and then this is the lotion. This is actually my first time trying it. It's white. It smells just like the perfume. It's definitely a light lotion. It's moisturizing, but it's light. It smells so good. I love it. Yes, I will be using that. Well, to the juicy stuff, the stuff y'all really came here for, I had an epiphany, and I'm going to carry this epiphany all through 2019. Do y'all really want to hear it? Okay. Around November, I don't know what happened. I was just, one night I was out. I was out and like I came home, and the next morning I had an epiphany, and I was like, you cannot compare yourself to a bottle girl. Actually, let's have a poll. Do you think bottle girls are canceled for 2019? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. We'll have a little poll going on. Are bottle girls canceled for 2019? Now, when I say bottle girls, obviously I don't mean like the person, but I mean the beauty surrounding the job. The reason I say this is because my epiphany was that I cannot pressure myself to look as good as a bottle girl. I just can't do it. And I would appreciate it that when somebody thinks about me, they don't put me in the same category as a bottle girl. Like, if you're trying to choose between me and a bottle girl, just choose a bottle girl, because that's not the category that I belong in. And I'm gonna tell you why. They get paid and their money goes immediately into their looks. And that's not bad. They have to do that because they have to maintain a certain image, right? A certain weight, a certain body type, makeup, hair, wigs, everything like has to be on point. And then they take care of everything else, right? Me, when I get paid, I have automatic things that come out. My savings, my 401k, my health insurance, you know, just certain things that come directly out of my paycheck, and then whatever's left, then I can spend on my looks. And that's a huge difference. I had to sit and let it sink into my brain. Like, don't ever put yourself in the same playing field, because it's not fair. It's kind of a silent pressure. Like, no one really says, oh, you should look like a bottle girl. That's the goal in life, to look like a bottle girl. But it's this silent pressure that if this is what's deemed as desirable, then maybe that's what I should look like. The thought is so damaging. And if you feel like, I don't want to cry. It's not the wine, I promise. I still have like almost a full glass. But it's so damaging, and I want to encourage you, like, if you ever feel that way, like Instagram, all the freaking social media, like going out, just people in general, there's so many outside pressures that if you ever feel like that, just talk to yourself, like in the mirror. The same way I woke up and I had my own epiphany. Nobody had to tell me, Sky, you don't need to look like that. Sky, you're not on the same playing field as that. Like, I think God put it in my heart. Like, relax. That's not you. That would never be you. And if someone does put you on the playing field with them, they obviously don't know you and don't value you for what you really are. No shade to any bottle girls. I respect the hustle. It's not easy. I know most people work off tips, commission, per table. It's a really hard industry, and shout out to you. My whole point was to say, for those who are not bottle girls, for those who are not bartenders, for those who don't walk around with their butt cheeks out, you're okay and you're beautiful, you're desirable, and you can still be sexy and fun without having to expose yourself like that. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you really liked this video. That's my epiphany for 2019. I don't have any resolutions, but this epiphany I'm going to carry throughout my year. I don't really see myself going to a club anytime soon, but having been in the club a lot 2017 to 2018, it's certainly something that I could take from this situation and carry it throughout other areas of my life. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Love you so much.